upper and lowercase s and t. Starting here, it's a big bump, and around. Take your time, big bump, and around. Really use these lines and that middle line to help you to make each letter very similar in shape and size. At some point, when you've done all this practice on your print writing, you're not going to have notebook paper with lines. You're just going to have even a blank sheet you'll be able to write letters on. But for now, practicing, it's really nice to have these dotted lines to help you with the shapes and the sizes of each letter. Lowercase s, same thing, half the size. Little bump, little bump, little bump, little bump. Isn't this fun to make? Uppercase T, big line down, pick up your pencil and cross it over. Big line down and cross it over. Up at the top. Kind of blends in with that top line, but that's okay. Last one, lowercase t. Now we don't go all the way to the top line, but it's a big line down and then cross it over at the dotted line. Take your time. Lowercase t. Did a great job today. Thank you for taking your time with upper and lowercase s and t.